You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Italian, meaning friends. This is the plural of the word. If you want to learn how to pronounce it, the singular, how to say a friend in Italian, make sure to stay tuned. We got all the Italian vocabulary here. Stay tuned. Amici, Italian pronunciation, amici. Yes, C before an I in Italian is pronounced like CH. CH would be pronounced like a K. That's a different story. Amici, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, amici. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.